Hi guys, welcome to Traders Corner. Today I'm gonna discuss about how Banknifty performed today and what would be the levels for tomorrow. Okay, so let's begin with marking of our support and resistance, like previous days high and low. Okay, and sorry guys, yesterday I couldn't make a video, so I couldn't post yesterday about levels for today. So this is for like today's level. I'll just discuss about it, and then we'll go into the analysis for tomorrow. I'll just mark the supply and demand zones. This was an open low, and this was a minor level, and this was a strong demand zone. Okay, so what has happened today? Market it opened, and this was a strong demand zone where market has come down and it made a small accumulation here and it went up, and after going to the supply zone it got rejected, and this is where the levels where it came down and it got stopped twice, once and twice. So this was a strong demand zone based on this, and we consider this the same for today as well. So today when the market opened, it didn't sustain over the demand zone. With a strong bearish candle, it got breakthrough, and it came down all the way to the support below, and this is a strong support below because it was an open low from where on 2nd September market open, and it started the bullish rally. So it came here, and again they were trying to push the market up, but following that they failed to bring the buyers in, and again once this demand zone was broken all the way, I expected market would come here, but I was expecting a bounce back over here at least once to go up and come down. But since the selling pressure was so huge, I break the levels, came here all the way, and it took some time here, and the buyers came in, and this was the first sign. Like we have a dragonfly doji over here, and the confirmation for that was another bullish candle. So once if you made an entry, either you would have closed your entry here, like approximately you can say you could have picked after this, even if you entered here, approximately you could have made 87 points, that is 0.25 percentage. And again what has happened, since the support was broken and it came down, and this was a minor resistance, when it came here you could see like there's a huge bullish candle with volume, and again the same level was broke with a huge bullish candle, and I expected market will not pass through this. I expected a reversal over here, but today, like these days market is very tricky. They took the market above the strong support which was broken, and it became, now it's a resistance. Now they break through it, but they couldn't sustain. Again they went to this levels, but even this is a strong resistance on the top, so it got rejected from here, and again they breached this level and they have broken the market here. Even if you might have seen Nifty, Bank Nifty was quite tricky. At one point Nifty was trying to go up, again there was a huge fall. You can see this rally, like these days, like, it's a big trap for the retailers. So here what has happened? Down, they brought it down. Up, they show a little bit of again up, down, and from here they made a huge rally up, trapping the sellers. After trapping the sellers, again they came down, and the rally in Bank Nifty is also due to the Nifty's movement. Okay. So this was the levels for today, and this is how Bank Nifty played through the levels. So next, I will discuss about levels for tomorrow. I'll start from the beginning, and let's start with daily candle. We'll mark high and low of today, and let's go to 15 minutes. Always try to have a multi time frame analysis so that you will know what are the levels. So based on this will act as a strong demand zone, and this will be a strong supply zone. They have breached this level also. This is a minor zone. I think it's going to be a little bit tricky expiry this week. So this would be the levels for tomorrow, and on top, further low. Okay, you can mark these ranges. Okay, you can see the levels and the prices on the right side corner. So this will be the levels for tomorrow, and this will act as a strong resistance, sorry, strong demand zone. So once the price comes, and even if you see the price, it did not close at day's high, or it did not close at day's low. So tomorrow we can expect a flat to bullish opening tomorrow. So for example, so in case if the market opens in this area, and if it sustains, for sure it will go here, it will try to play in this level, and it will be difficult for Bank Nifty to break these levels. At the same time, Nifty, until today, it was showing strong signs of bullishness, but today after second off, it was trying to come up, but still it was turned into bearish mode a bit. So in case if it sustains in this area, you wait for 15 minutes candles to close. After that, just watch out how the levels perform. So if the first 15 minutes candle survive in this area, then you can take a trade, initiate a trade for these levels, and it will be a cluster zone where Nifty will try hard to break this zone. So we can expect a bit of sideways movement tomorrow. And in case if market fail to sustain this range, if it breaks through, For sure, it's going to be a sideways. I hope so, because the levels which it has made are a little bit tricky. So this could be the possible moves. Wait for first 15 minutes candle to form. Watch out what type of candle, whether it is strong bullish or bearish, and take initiate a trade accordingly. So these two will be the critical levels for tomorrow. If it is breaching this, if Nifty supports and if Bank Nifty breaks through this level with a strong bullish candle, we can expect another rally towards this area. Okay, and again, at the moment, if we see overall Nifty structure, Bank Nifty structure, from my view, it is bullish, because if we see past, Bank Nifty closed above in a 4 hours chart. It has closed above the previous swing high. I consider based on candle closing, and if you see here in a 4 hours chart, it has closed above the zone. So what currently happening is like, for this area, just a correction or a retracement is going on. Okay, so it already took entry for 0.382 levels, and if the strength is bullish, we can see tomorrow these recent highs will be taken off. Once it is taken out, we can expect Bank Nifty to go to this range, all-time high 37,37770. Okay, so in my view, Bank Nifty is still in bullish mode, and these days, we can say FAIs or pros, they are trapping retailers very well. So in my view, as per retracement, it already retraced from 0.382. Once again, if they break these levels, there is a possibility for Bank Nifty to reach up to 0.5, or even up to 0.61. It is highly possible. So these two will be the important levels in Bank Nifty on the downside. If it breaches through a strong bearish red candle, then for sure in this expiry, or whenever this level is breached, and if this level is breached tomorrow or day after tomorrow, for sure we can expect Bank Nifty to reach 35,766. But at the moment, as long as this level is not breached, Bank Nifty is bullish and it can go to this level. Okay, so this is my view for Bank Nifty. I'll post in my channel too. All right. So At the moment, I think there is some problem. Okay, all right. I'll publish it later. So you can have a look. This is the levels for Bank Nifty for 8 September 21. I'll make another video for Nifty. And if you guys have any questions regarding views for any stocks, please comment below so that I can share my views for swing trading or short term to intraday trading. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice evening.